Well, hello, all of my students. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Jay, and today's message will not be like one of my normal English videos. I actually just wanted to come and talk to you about a few things, and I will also put the transcript of today's video down in the description. Two particular things I would like to talk to you about. The first one is Merry Christmas. It's my desire that you have a blessed Christmas day and week with your family. As for me and Tiffany, it is a great time for us to spend time with one another and with our children. Gives us an opportunity to reflect on the things that the Lord has done for us throughout this year. Oftentimes, Christmas is celebrated, in my opinion, for some wrong reasons, but we try to keep Christ in Christmas. And so we just reflect on everything that God has done for us, in particular, allowing you guys to be a part of my life via YouTube. And so I am just so grateful for the many subscribers that have followed, that constantly watch the lessons that I provide, and it seems that I'm able to form a relationship with some of you, even though I may not know your first name. But it's still wonderful to be able to connect with you, and for that I say thank you. Secondly, I want to invite you to join me on my Patreon. If you are an English learner that is serious about joining others, using resources to help you to improve your English comprehension, vocabulary, and fluency, I have tools that you can use that will help you to improve. And so I provide videos that are not on YouTube, transcripts, worksheets, and I want to provide a community to where when I go live, we can all hang out and fellowship together. So I will pin a link down to my Patreon down in the comments section, and you can go and take a look at what I have on my Patreon. And I hope that you find some use for it, because I know it will help you to improve. I am going to have this tier open up with only available 100 spots, and I think it's just $3. So I have the resources you need to improve, and you can find it on my Patreon. Well, with that being said, again, I hope you enjoy your week. Thank you again for all of your support, all of those who comment and share. Thank you so much, and I will catch you on my next English lesson. I hope you join me then. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.